Have you ever taken a bite of a cookie and everything just stops? That's what happened when I made these chocolate chip cookies. Crispy edges, gooey centers, melts in your mouth. Let me show you how to make the cookies you'll never forget. Start with 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, not melted. Add 1 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup white sugar. Cream until it's light and fluffy. This step builds flavor and that bakery-style chewiness. Add 2 eggs, 1 at a time, then 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Want richer cookies? Add a teaspoon of instant coffee powder. It deepens the chocolate flavor, trust me. Spoon in another bowl mix. 2 cups quarters all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now slowly add it to your wet mix. Don't overmix, just until combined. Fold in 2 cups of chocolate chips. Go big. Use semi-sweet or mix with dark chunks. Want them gooey? Save a few chips for topping after baking. Scoop onto a baking tray. Bake at 350–175 degrees for 10–12 minutes. Edges golden, center soft. Let cool just 2 minutes before tasting.